Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Mwancho magireria tirana karibu na ende tuchake senchira bana chideka cha tukene meronge tatu ni sato igoro yen sense sato chia kona marga westo go chaka beno murubiri tensemo ya kabere to chiko kwana mana manga ne ya kumugwata omwana omunyaroka magireria county ya Turkana ane county namba meronge bere ni sato imeyense ya Kenya ane county ebwato mubaro bw'abanta bankima wekaboniga igo ya kirango maragwe chimilioni yemo go chigoro mwancho mwe kurende ne county bwata makongo ya nali ya kumugwata omwana omunyaroka ne county omwana omunyaroka kabereko baga gwetera manna makongo atari kwende sukuru ne county mwana omunyaroka kabereko baga konyomo na gosega konyomerwa gochiese chinka chinde ase myaka emekekegima ne county mwana omunyaroka konengetu hanene kirara sama tukali yaye aikire na bari babwate myaka 12 ego chigoro kurenda marako babona ngo tutari kumana nere egati ya bantu ali besokiri na batakone kingo mwana omunyaroka ngonyaraka gokonyeka asenchera ere ya bene ngoko mukwanera homorai ibwe kyombekeria kya Enkwana Independent Women Awards omo CEO oyuareme studio omubarako babonaiga asto ucho kwanda mange naboigo somogana bukungsa sana abune yarure gutara ase chinse au chinse ya Kenya nabego konekingo mwana omunyaroka ango sirware asenchera ere ya bene no musaye okaba bakurundie nyange amatukaba ngakorwege mu cyo Nairobi igo ikasense moye county ya Nakuru eseganga yeye moyoka konyo lichitauro chabo chenu eligo chikomokonya omwana omunyaroka ase county ya Turkana ikaransa tugenda gukwana mange na keranko mareta eye mase yemo omusayujwe yimarwa bonega ime studio karibu
asante
mbuya mono nabo kulgereri kamera yao
asama yetangoro ku Bernard Simanto ose bandoka babu mtekova inche nesio nande founder o Independent Kenya Women Awards ose baruka Jamhuri Kenya Awards na asante sana Daniel Omwaga soko twali bageri kunyara gukwana na umugusiminto no gukwana na Kenya at large especially area say county ya Turkana storochiko ko host event tukunyarukanga Enkwana Women to Connect mashinani ine program twanyereko kunye introduce under Enkwana mostly abantu bametenga Independent Kenya Women Awards ne platform ekonyara kego celebrate geko hon geko recognize women from various sectors but want to chikorigelinga it was just a challenge kurwa se leaders kurti county awa wakubolinga instead yetu to chapaka twacha national again taking care ngekongera ansari se ground Kenya rege empower omwana nyaroka to take the challenge as a positive challenge na mbono to introduce the first program ekongea kwenda county awa nere tubatenga Enkwana Women to Connect mashinani ekuchikobe program mentanga ni kwenda Turkana togochikonya togo siro mwana nyaroka kumwa chi sanitary tochokora kwena ne bitabu kokonya abana bari nidi kuru muchudio Turkana and also tochokora mentorship muchokora tore a walk yoko hakikishanga we are creating awareness. That's why we Sunday last week on Saturday, I had to cycle from Nairobi to Nakuru to create awareness. It was not all about mobilizing. The message was clear. It's high time, mnaintu, tutinine twins. Tonyare, gokora awareness, iriega neiri, yokwakikishanga, mwane nyaroka, tau chikoboruwe sanitary, da konyara kobata agende skuru okoba ye sanitary. Mwane nyaroka, okoba ya 50 bob, tanyoro boli tobo mabwa saleke okoba ye sanitary. Yeah, that's why I was doing the challenge and that's why we are heading to Turkana to empower girl child.
Babu tatara chiko skochi mutu igoro event yao labda SEO ya Enkwana for how long kwa bere unesio Enkwana and wacha getie kiomekia Enkwana
Enkwana twanyengeti 2021 before kwenye watengeti mna platform ya Enkwana yangete mna Miss Independent Kenya. Miss Independent Kenya twanyengete platform mainly kwa mwana omunyaroka ko ruchi community out ya Kenya banyare go showcase the heritage culture of different communities ko ruchi county our wale to kanyora beseke 47 from all the 47 counties watch at the national level watch go showcase the culture of their community chibagocha bakuru bacha go showcase the heritage each county chiri bakoro tukakora 2021 2022 2023 tuka notice there's a big gap as much as neba go chabako nyara okora mangana beauty pageant rabe voice each community chiri bakoro but tuka notice still there's a big gap okonero OMWANA naga netiri baga dio konyora a platform area ra nyare go kwana challenges tiri ba wetera na gender based violence ya pregnancy mamba mental health pono tuka broaden a platform yeto igire ndo mwana OMWANYAROKA umwana ano omoswat koru county yao panyori baga dio konyara ko raise those various challenges they face in their communities. So that's how it started. Pono tuka ngea kokwachi program in 2023 apart from now beauty pageant tuka introduce pia na award.
Ahambia mono kabisa samarayu atagitare sana. Nkorenga ebina gitamba kiri gukwanda gusteka rukeke.
Na keke.
Negitamba ga sana gwatene ligolika sana. Na labda ukibwata na boko kumwatunguli. Why Turkana? Edition Tanganyika gima.
The reason Tokwenda Turkana, I had a friend of mine. Event nakora earlier this year. Ya equal top 100 most impactful women in leadership. The guy agacha akambodi ndete go volunteer as a platform yao oko lawyer nai I can't yata to go volunteer. I was so eager to know like inki yako yata to go volunteer as a platform yaito uchi tabwa interesting I got it wakano kante ya nchenkuru county ya Turkana na temire ko organize event in Turkana go support girl child majority yabo banyalire bago soka banyalire bago tige skuru okoba ya early marriages ebintu mine early pregnancy angamde itsoke aka tukaswa kange program go participate in program cheto bono on the process egento keria ndatinga ati igentabana chinyaroka bagwetera konyoro ready to achine program yo kwenda mashinani ngarige nga okoba achire why can't I do this igende chikonge ya Turkana. So that's how the idea of kwenda Turkana ya chite because according nenge nja explain it challenges chire Turkana I had to impress the idea yo kwenda Turkana county.
Igatambeke kagero ndiye nyange kwa Nairobi kweka
Nakuru
kwese county ya Nakuru. Labda how was the experience na iganga ya nene niko ya renge koresi ibitambabu ni bingi ochikubimukia ya masa yemo uchese county ya Turkana. Ingaki kwa nyarete were you successful? How was it?
It was one of the toughest challenge I've ever done because it was a solo challenge. Another thing I think that kwenye kora nchi mna babu kurezi awareness. You know, sometimes someone do navara imokata yanga tote toko kore walk tutari into twins ku create awareness. Someone do navara komokata yanga tote toko kore marathon tunyare go create awareness so that it create that attention so that people banyare ko yani korora asubu wango. But I say like I said it before like we are heading to Turkana. But no one took it serious. And I said because engencho lawyer naye alikuwa meni explain about the challenges iko Turkana. I want to take the task I myself as Babu because I'm leading an organization to lead the women. As a man, let me be the face of this thing. Getting the New cried the 157 kilometers so that people can see. It's not all about the girl. It's also about us to speak as men so that people can see clearly. It's real. It's something that we as the community, we as the leaders, we as the media also we need to come up and speak it strongly. There's a lady named Diana Kimuma. She also champions Mabona women. There's a day she challenged me akaniambia in a day a man anaweza impregnate 5 ladies in a day.
A man.
In a day. So you see,
is it to care very proven because any allegations?
It's not. It's something ni kitu iko. Menelewa anaweza. Basi ukiangalia akifanya hivyo atakuwa ameaffect life ya wasichana wangapi?
5.
Amekuwa ameaffect dream ya watu wengi sana. Na hata push maisha yake. So the point here is tigatu imokamo tunyareko koraki. So the challenge was hard kurugeka paka Nakuru. Remember it's a highway, a busy road. It's something that I've never done it as a highway kwende nyange korwa as a highway. So but we did it tukatwerwa enyange kesaleka because you know that pareri teri alafu chi nyange chi ngenge toko chendi aitakile rough design flani. Yes, but we did it. Yeah.
So in short, it was hard but successful in a way.
Successful in a way. Yeah, yeah, successful in a way because message was out. You know, it was not about mobilization. Message ya chete siko na ndentu aroche mbaro ba isogete bakatena 92 mbaro ba isogete baka donate sanitary pads and that's why on Friday and Saturday we are having an event in Turkana because of those people who stood out and said we are going to support the program. Yeah.
Whatever igoro yaba bwatani beso gatina ko support. Labda kiruchi kwenda weka kusoma bwata bantu kwa nyara bwatani gete banye bere ko konya na kugosira asomuru biri buno yiga bwata morro yo guchi konya mwono munyaruka.
Okay. A program yonse ipi tin konya konya koranchi weka. I have those people ba isokiri ba mwiri kote na nanche na ande still ne bane kano no cycle nanche ba mwiri kwa kikishanga a project ya chile paka Turkana. Gondo bata ando ba isokiri chi partners individuals bali ba mwiri nga paka Turkana.
Yeah. Kero kende muntu nabolie Bernard Simanto numugusi korongo rwagusi. Lakini gusigalia ntubwate grassroots areas. Ntubwate abayibuli bakuru asabota kaborobo ere mono bote kunyara no nuko kugaronis kuma shiringi 10. Abana babo bote kunyara kugenda no iki skuru gusere motuka bwate motukabo. Nabo ntarabolie numugusi kurende kwatakire kugenda aguchia essence ngao ere essence ere are sana korongo rwagusi watigira abana abanyaruka bari bagucandika sorongo rwagusi labda nga kiore ire gitamuke munekyo n'ekingwana bunekyo na anene ka no bwateganga yo kurana back so lira bari ankana gokonya abono nyaruka
after try sogeti togatanga ntutete kwenda Turkana na a program tuarete na niyo wonchokana na mashinani ne eliminating ana ki tari Turkanoka ndo bate county chinde already I've seen interested counties that want to partnership with us. Migori county naro chimbate to partnership na into naro chikericho county nitete will come on board. So those are the counties that are Cliffy County auche waziri mangana agenda kwantenga also after this we need you to come to Cliffy County. Yeah. So as gusi once to akore ko Turkana togo sanstanse to ko ringa ki a challenge yo kwenda mashinani nereni. You know the first thing kwenda e county otamanye undata ko manyeti ororo e county yo kwenda ego face challenges tofauti we are going to learn ngike wapen in Turkana to kwenda ndo kore recap nekere tutaite kwenda gusi seito inakuwa easy but gusi ndo planeti na we are going to communicate at the end of the day because it's mashinani. We are going to connect all women in mashinani and our young girls but gusi tunyewegeta sevirenge na tutakuja.
Turkana tari yange sana anichikrimenta chire chinyinge sana. Turkana ne county kaire ne county chinyinge county wa Marsabit West Pokot nchi unasamburu chionsi ne chini county chiabere chikomori kwa sana ase endoleronga nigo chigo twara mangana area development through some Turkana kere yani child development into sexual violence into early marriages uchi asabana abanyaruka baremba ke sana nanye batarike myaka 10 nebere labda chitari kiringa amokurukuruga iga na keramo chwikonga kimo chikamo gosomya abana bari gotategana ko batu chikwende ichoka mobate kwa bekire nchera yago chikobera kya magiro ya bene nchera ira bakonye barabukwigwa na koira mu guchimwa mbate ya school mapema baba kwa bakonyomero mapema na bayiga batiga ngana ndali yagokorekana abuna gusabuna circumcision ya edieta bwana tia samono musuhati.
Okay, event ikari wakorekana 2 days you read it 14 and it 15. So tokurugeka Thursday around afternoon tuchweka on Friday around 8-9 eskuru tukabwate mami tokurugeka ma Thursday mugaso chiro chisanane tuchweka ororo Friday around saa 3 because it's 700 kilometer. Togo ika chiskuru njiro to kongera to identified togo chikongera on Friday. You want to school Friday to bate chiskuru bere chiri mostly affected Again to togo chiko kororo apart from koba chisantareji. You know our girls mbali go chiba speak out. Majority of them baba wetu na baibuli baito. Mwana nyaruka akoba nango te mamu mwabonga eke maene nimbate challenge ya sanitary. Dete akionkonyo mamu ngurigente. Most of them pauchi baba ko tebia bangina abaibuli babonga yaya nduta itegenteki. Bamwa wuchi wate boyfriend. So the first thing again zota to kobanga ne confidence. Komba again dekine nduki ya kawaida. It's something natural. So in together let's speak out so that at least na umuntu akora ko konya. You want to put a mentorship program to watch ko kwana neche nyaruka to put experts in terms of na kibago tumia menstrual hygiene chi program chi chance to ko chi program awa chi ko kwana kana dit ko ya Friday. And then to bokera dit ko ya Sunday and Saturday now. Saturday ntoka put program ya walk na run ewochi korekana koru Turkana University mbake place ko kunga loyo komo stoko chiko korera no abono to kore walk and then to go ikorro to tenga it's a community because this is something affecting the community so to abeka the entire community nyare ko koraki wocha sobonge to nyara ko kore walk yu samo baminyo kakeko kuro to mago twara chi program chia mentorship mental awareness to tware program ya menstrual hygiene and pia ngochuko recognize story champions tiri ba konyara kwa ba konya a ground to kuba 10 champions to chiko recognize this area you want to put the program out chiko run apart from kwenda sanitary
Turkana ukapna na ukwandene county ya sana na nebwate au maruwa bantana sana basubati bara abange sana musubati nere chinga kichonsi chikaunti ya Turkana Samburu West Pokot mwekana wakora magana households kulisi na nechombe kwa genda rochi kwa gachende nyombeli abantu bakomato na bagaka bakwa gachonya na basubati korende nochukumena na basubati ibe birango ibire tangani uche kumena musubati ukore myaka mekatre kune kumena tonyoro mwana ubugwa bwaye weskuru obabekire isiko nochukumena musubati onyomeru ose obekiru konyomwa ataranje osotigi weskuru mwibole iruchombe oiruchingami ochire ekonyomwa tumeti kusimoro kyobegete uchi identify such groups of people musubati uri oiru amwana karo mwana omekemeke sana esengencho maybe atagwate kitambe ekyo akangainwa akanyora nyorenda oiru mwana tai with school program kiso begete uchi kwanda the two characters of people
at first ntwalinge kwenda Turkana tutarakora what we call a background research as to what lawyer nai o tenenta mangana ito yechi program tuamotomire ground I think 3 years kwenda okorangana ki skuru ki kwanza ile mostly affected ege nene keto kwire program ye egungochi kotwarire impact that's again take tangani again togia kabere one yuere ya young mothers waliwa igete kosoka mapema nere ibon tuguchi kokorera because now we must understand kwamba even the beyond people gwetera asengencho capacity building eta ya awareness eta yo banyare ku understand so the first thing is to make them understand you see and then they again togia kabere ne confidence eri eboreta aba achinyoka bange ya gochi ya lead to amangana early pregnancy ibona mna nate yanga the first thing to akwate background ku understanding mbanto ki target ya itumbara byaba inte tanga nigi akabere ke to chi okore awareness into pati expert chirimna nate before ba understand the challenge error na to chiko kore a program uchikoba easy and then again to eta fault in program as a equal women to connect machinery different ake sabwe to angulire ngaki sustainability project yena kire because nyaruke wachire kwa mwire sanitary kere kwa mwire gosneyemo otumiro motenyi na ndo iranire as a situation area rengi that's why program yeito the first phase sekere to kwena na chisante chira ku sustain for 4 months for 4 months bono yaba mna phase 1 so phase 2 ngwana la story ngaki impact na kire na ndimo natuchukure na phase 2 ase team area stoko na mna bono ya to kora partnership na lawyer na because na the foundation ya ego chikoba isiko track a program ena kekoga no agende county ende still montonare kwa partnership na error understand the challenges error area ki mne county nenene so that paka understanding this area was this ward they mostly affected with which papi access especially na Turkana area sinchiro kurua stogoi main road kuchime skulu chintangani we are going 70 km kuchime asa skulu yentangani tokogenda na kurua skulu yentangani uchia sayende it's around 40 km so you can see even accessing even the G center part it's a hard time. Also, nabora nyorenga nabako ni access, but also try understand the process. Correct. So we have a lot of things that we have identified. So even if we are going to roll out this program, we must ensure the sustainability of this program so that to ensure that if we have started, our young girls they're not going to go back where they have been. Like nande tujikoranga aki olitu eterero na mambe nande na yatorochi nande o soira o correct onyoria pregnancy. So you see, so those are among the things that we have considered when we are going to do these programs.
Babu metie nyi kwa mwachirari mwakonyero mwana munyaroka nendo akire mjamona onyoreka baka konyinka metie nyi tatu metie nyi bere yar stantali tower sigetambe gikebo chenu kyabere koba gekomuremera gusege koera no begete mirubiri ndigati maybe with the county government of Turkana kwene kinga este nere murachi kwa mogo ikerne after the 4 months yakuma mogo konya na you in talks with the county government in any way kera omonomanyeti authorities nganko endoro and this event is going to happen timeti basimuru kebegete kwene kinga talimeti nyi yeta toyoka uchiko konyaka kwene mwana munyaroka nachiko baka konyaka kerengaki kirankyo kirogo kiana kiroko hira.
Okay, the first thing before we involve the county is to understand the situation area say ground. That's the first thing. Negendo kiakabere to identify chi organization, the grassroots organization chira say ground, because now what the upper information kurwa say ground. Aya eke to identify to anyore data, even if you want to partnership with the county, already you know what you are doing. Because unajua sometimes there's a moment unaweza involve the county na ikwe more political. So that's why we normally like to a partnership na grassroots organization, grassroots champions, so that the first one enye into to roll out the program ekerea ngeire. We know that the 4 months we are doing it. The phase 2 now, the organization that we have partnered with, it takes over. Because already we have shown them the process to meet after that and wow to understand kwamba these are the challenges they are facing. And then now that's the moment now on the conversation of ikiendelea we involve now the county in. Usikudike area 70 iko tu akwete, we had different leaders who are on board. Muna Turkana itself, we had the attorney, county attorney, we had different mawaziri walikuwa wamekuja. So all counties nimekwambia from Migori, the waziri wa education and sport and youths amesema wanataka twende Migori. From Kilifi County, Honorable Dama amesema we want to see you. He also deputy governor, he was there during our events. So from Meru, from Nyeri we have seen waziri pia Esther pia nataka tuende huko. So we have women when wako kwa hiyo space agenda, they are fighting for it. So it will be easy for us to push agenda sustainability yango chikoberega okake so that tebe metenyeli metanga ni for ye kwera na stili nyano kelio koreke weda ni asaring. So sustainability is to partnership with the grassroots champion, grassroots organization, and then also now bringing on board the county. Once the program, we have the roadmap na kiuchikoran. But the moment you bring the county first, sometimes this sustainability of this program inenanga inaisha because it's something that we have experience about it.
Stigmatization kiabere gento kiwa affect basubati all over Kenya kero bare semetin yabo kware nonye asande mono munyaroka akoba kaba bakwe rusi bugimese ngenchare class ime nyoranga matukali ya ikire tamanyeti ne sengenche kose namanyete kondo na nege tambeke takibwate kiabo chenu ento kiagarira bana ba masekerere oganda bwe rusi oyimabwayo timaiti apart from which koba abana ebitambe ime yense meja samburu stigmatization ero koberego koba affect sana timaiti any program you have about the classes which komasomia igoro stigmatization or how they do carry themselves.
Now most of the people who are leading on these things, it's men, and that's why I'm leading on the front line. Now during the program ndubate abamura banga bakare kokora mentorship also, and we have involved abamura youths on board so that to ensure kwamba muna nata begente tangan I cycled from Nairobi to Nakuru 157 showing that noni ntua pamura we are in solidarity with women to tell them like it's something that ni kitu ya kawaida. So as such program tochi gukora ntukabwata bamunaime batote ingana ki ngore ikore kwanza no nae kwa na nene duka alikuwa kwa Romo Swati ose girlfriend ya center part because we need to understand, we need to take this thing like as usual thing like ora imoke no nae otenga dero kwa chile supermarket. There's a day twangobori like the last time we watched at a supermarket kwa center part ukare girlfriend ya also kaira mukao ngakiki onyoranga bantu bange mbaliko korake mbanya kogora no nae ninde sure the last time kwa ethinde
ono nje
let's be honest,
I have no family wala tiga
nabuko no girlfriend so ekeno ni to leader because eke to ange skure kare kwa korno nyarokere asama tukae kora na to saka hey tuarode you see. So but right now like you watch most of the men we are leading to show them like tunakubali, it's a normal thing. Yeah, so ndubate program and ndokapata umrabaka ko lead even the mentorship side so that when abana chinyaroka no mbarabomba obo. Yeah.
So lit ko mugokora amurobirindi chuma mosi usenchuma piri nangi moche gokora kalikia mwari kabisa kya kwani kingwana musubati nkonyarale obujabu ayena kwa understand the meaning of a sanitary part, the meaning of being this being into stigmatized and na wente go carry awe mangana emotions che na wente ko carry and nekera agwetere michanda bune. Yeah, so tote program ntangani tukopata Friday tukanda chiskurebere togokora kororo tumakwenda Lodwa town. Our so to chukokore a program ikare on Saturday koro morning paka around saa 9 to chukokora recognize the grassroots champions also so that nabagongo itomabare ground ndewe month that tabati no budget yare allocated lakini uri getting in check as area across community. That's why that thing apart from also like giving sanitary giving the needy student books, but we are going to ensure at least we are recognizing the grassroots champions so that to keep them giving them hope, like giving them morale, like we are together so that nababa banyara ba kokoraki banyara go champion even them. We go a program itekare kwa Saturday. Nimesikia tu wanasema huko lazima tuende tuone ngamia vizuri on Sunday, but tutajua ni tukuje na maziwa. Ona ngamia maukunya maziwa.
Tukunya maziwa na ngamia.
Ona ngamia Nairobi.
Okay, like kuna ngamia Nairobi na ushago. Ile at least hata tukamue pia. Ya tunataka kuona ile ya tukamue. Yeah.
Babu, timaiti maybe kisinga nchochinga kirakini turakwa nake. Nkeke usembara ikiaba apart from the grassroots bali bago chikomobilize grassroots timaiti kose kwa bere ko bago ko invite no expected yabara. We have MCS, we have maybe MPs, we have other local leaders like chiefs sabara imbare bago chikokanese event yao.
We have involved the county through the county attorney to involve na we were trying to get more leaders on board. Kwanza waziri wa mambo na agenda na youth, waziri wa education, because also we are talking about the education part, and also I have engaged different MCA nominated na wengine. So hapo unajua pia si tunatuma tunawasubiri. So but we have many people coming on board for that day and we are hoping the best, and I know wanaskiza, they are watching it. And we are inviting you because it's our responsibility as the community, as the leaders, as the people who have got that chance to lead, because the community believes in us. So it's high time also for us to show them the way, and this is the right time. Yeah.
Turkana edition in Tangan Kigima.
Yeah, equal to connect Mashinani. It's the first edition ya Mashinani. Yeah. But okay, we have been doing around Nairobi, but now here to connect Mashinani, it's the first program ya kuingia ground sa Mashinani.
Yeah. Labda any feedback kwa nyorekorwa as abantu au karwa chikimuri ne abatoreka konyokora feedback chini checheche maybe after Saturday korende bone wikirabonega feedback ne rende onsi kwa konyarage kwa you are in a positive channel.
Okay, we have positive feedbacks, even someone praying for the process. I remember during the day I was cycling from Nairobi to Nakuru. Abantu bangi bandenga to agosabeire because it's not easy, right? Cycling 157, anything can happen on the way. Even like having someone mwenye anajitolea na contribute center, that is amo na kwa tebinte bingara kwa mna economy mna monyeroche ega kongete ko sacrifice montaru 55 bobu area o montako gore a kilometer, because I had many friends who go to 2 kilometers. You see, so konyoro montorio go isoki okogora taligento kia kawaida. So also those are showing that kwamba wame impress the idea. And also another thing, we have seen many leaders positive sides ni ile orochenga abantu mbaro baro idea ye bare interested bada itende county chao. It's also positive. Iko talking again to twangaire ngibwate future. So positives feedbacks zimekuwa poa. We are waiting keto akore program yetu ikire paka Turkana tumakoranga the feedback chonsi na kitiwo chikoba. Yeah.
Labda tugosuka mutuasi nini edition ye ya ikiro mwerio ko semoro bidia yo wakonye mwana munyaroka ngakionye bigite kiro mwaka ngayote koba at least target ya onogo kwenda county renga gosema shinani chinse moirenga so mwaka na boigo gose na kurugabu next thing ayi horengarati ogochiko konye mwana munyaroka.
Okay, chances inchiro chinyinge na utraende Migori gose twende Kericho, but Kericho kiko happen because there's an MP I had a conversation with him na anataka combine the counties tano za Bomet, Kericho, Nandi, Trans Nzoia, Narok. Hizo counties kadhaa zikwe hosted in Kericho. If we are going to Migori, we are going to see on how we are going to make it bigger. If we want to what to chukokora into phases. To kwenda 4 quarters per year. So we can do it county, we can do it regional. Like we are trying to come up after Turkana. We are going to see if we are going to do per month, if we are going to do per quarter. Yeah. Feedback, we're going to get feedback from the people. Community, it's a community driven thing, so still we are going to get feedback and tutajua nini ya kufanya.
We are asana igo kurwa Nairobi na Nairobi no kwa baire asama tukamange timaiti turenda Turkana watebire konyo konya abana baswa team ya Nairobi, maybe nonyara kuri core chinsa mo kirwa konyere imeye county ya Nairobi na
Nairobi to organize Richu program chinyinge. There's a time I organized I had a mkutano na wamama na young girls in South B. I remember also you came. There's a time I used sports in Ileta, Machakos, Nairobi na Kiambu together, where we had a tournament Chinyaroka chache tukuru county chons baga kumupira tukanyara also kwena na sanitary inga kine twakwete Mukuru kwa Ruben. So we have done it several areas within Nairobi County. There's a time also to acquire side ya Narok, but that time to go create awareness ya suicide. To Kaira, sanitary pads also there. To acquire models in different counties by an commission. Baroba Kodaire Gaiga Nairobi, Chikechi Skuru wow. Yeah, so the program ya very Quran nearing a tour extended or run in different counties now. Ile full, we know that we are going to engage girls, we are going to engage women.
South B or South C?
South B.
South B kwa bere kwa ba chinkoma chiko taranga anake nkoboliere orai wo obonse moyo OMC me South B. Ikabonega mwana munyaroka kora South B nabe kabaga kwakera Kende Jones anasoka mukonya.
Because school research program chinge chinanyore kingo kora mostly na chikore South Bay, because now I've been raised in a slum Mukuru, so like that's where I started okwachi program. So the beneficiary abange banyere go konyeka na bantu wa South Bay, both women and my younger sisters in different schools in South Bay.
Charity events babu amona siasa na ibintu birita bauti ne benga maguta mona manyinga karakene kwa nyorenga kwa bero kabogo kiruburai uno MC of South B mbwene kitobwatenga nochikugendera gokonya abantu no mwana munyaruka ni iyo mbegu ne bigose iyo mbegu gochaka bikwe onyorenga kaitegere siasa mono.
Okay, it would depend. No muntu yo ekere tatenga, for example, would depend mna inche babu. First thing again, don't understand it. When it comes na a community, it's in me. So there's nothing that will change it. Either when I'm in politics or when I'm not in politics. So and tangani. I understand maybe my capacity itakuwa chini sana, but I want because we want to champion like at least this center things. Maybe zero tax free. Because the moment they get tax free, I'm telling you, it'll drop up to even 30 bob. And kila mtu anaweza kamanage kubai. But the moment saizi inakatwa tax, utapata ekero kwenda kule sanitary pad yese company ekogoro na 55. Kigo che scroll gari jomo wananchi ulio kawaida takonyara kwenda se company chikogoro yemo igakonyokora na 80 75 into mneke. Bake yendinere bake yemia. Wono che igendeke kara sanitary pad raba tax free. Tego 30 bob. If my fellow sisters vanyaire koba appointed elected waiche kwemuka ika kabisa vatevenga atibona se ikere igendeke kebe tax free na bekoba. But personally mna babu ninswa sobrai nintaswa still community will be my responsibility, because that is where I have grown. That's where my project I've been doing. Like a community yani erime yani, I don't know why. Erime yani. Yeah.
Tokunya bako bamurai.
Yeah.
Tokunya bako bamurai. Tabarai. Very.
Sometimes ngo randa leaders pande ba soida sopo kambi. Onyo lenga okore bintu be community kwa ekira be elected, things start changing. All of a sudden ibintu chi program chiria gakore as a community torigo chirora was nyunga kwani nkikekera as county assembly was nkekere as a national assembly that makes someone change all of a sudden. But for me, I'm asking unajua saa zingine tunasemanga Mungu atupe neema na kitupea hata nafasi zingine za kuongoza, tusibadilike. Ile kitu tulikuwa tunafanya tuendelee kufanya, because at the end of the day it's God who gives leadership. Now if you have been serving without that position ya kuwa elected or appointed, still may God lead us or guide us so that we mean to work for the community with or without.
Labda togo chiko chimutu wake togo kwana ngito chiko kora kigima ikasi yawe kora chiba soko ruseso mubuko. How do you get such things? You work kwa kurumega twara kwa na event ko tarawa na banyaruka ko na event chimangane mupira sabasubati. How do you manage it? Chiba soko ruseso mubuko gose
mostly ngonyorande well wishers wako on board watenga babu. To take for example mna kwenda Nakuru ku cycle. So first ukonyoranga mna dit kwenda na ile gadi ya HSK inanisaidia kubeba vitu kama first aid kit, inanisaidia kubeba maji, inanisaidia kubeba ndizi. So utapata mtu anaweza jitolea kwambie instead ungenilipa kitu kama 10,000 pay me 5,000. I be like nimeparticipate kwa hii process. Kwa nyoro montocha ngwa chimine company nera ali aso ya isogete maipadi kanga around 20 nini cartons of pads. They bought several kilometers. Pono kunyonga well wishers singo chapare. But still well wishers na achanga hata itako konya I support 100%. But also utapata ngwikora senga kete wachukwa somo kuko kwanya rokorake ku fund a project. Mnabona uko konyoranga for example na kurugega baka tukana it's 700 kilometers. Aya ekere kwa rugega wika gari pa kwa means singa yokurara in Kyokoli, because I'm going there for 2 days. No bwato monto media. So today sometimes ngwekere kwa somo, sometimes nobody well wishes, sometimes ekere toko cha chishomne chio monto naro kopa interested or getting endeke. I want to support babu at least enda hata kama na maji vitu kama hizo. Yeah, it happens sometimes ninge kwa mfuko.
Na labda bado nogendreti timetiko sinogendreti no gandretio morobiri obo kunya ko get more part to say chigi cha gosa ne tayari
nchira isana
nere kwa nyore
channel
ne channel kimebi warusha sawa ko biri bauchi ba baratumike ende ko ikerende ba nyara ko support na uchi ko support wiroka boko chiso mwana omonyaroka.
Okay, ase bari bago batorige tubonega unanate ambabu mtekova and what a program ekari kwenda Turkana County on date 14 and date 15. A program etonyerogete Enkwana Women to Connect mashinani. The main purpose no konyo mwana nyaroka no mosfati as a sanitary na also ko make understanding kende ke yamangana ya nigento kia kawaida. Igono nyogoteto ko tala into assessabari nabo ko donate no any sanitary. Nabo ugo donate no any bitabo. Nabo watch no partnership 9 to nabo watch otenga ndete kwenda no ninje Turkana. At least so we are open for partnership. Page jeto isikurige Independent Kenya Women Awards. We are in Facebook, TikTok, na Instagram also. We are everywhere. We can contact the organization inchiro. Njibeka ninda available on social media at Honorable Babu Mtekova King. Yeah, na tusukume maneno.
Labda second last kabisa. Engana yaone niliochia as maybe politicians and wali gwetting ngaki wakorinde banyo champion na wakonye mwana musubati. Yeah, you maybe have some word.
As a leaders, majority of us ama tuseme kila mtu amezaliwa kwenye community. We understand the challenges our young girls and women back with as a community yeto. Igono kindi gyonse toko kwa nagega ebe mangana empowerment yo mwana nyaruka ebe no support mwana nyaruka with sanitary pads ebe no kwa mangana mental health. It's not something new. Andonse soko tenena kyo mundango bwata abwate akure semo yayo yonda akure kure side yonda tera kure side oyonde ga kominyoka oyonde ka gotara oyonde ka go cycle, the message will be home. So nango basaba leaders baito tutagwanja tobwaterane twakikishinga at least ndurigo chigotanga ekere bagwe kabagwe kora analysis batanga usomwa ko ndobate chinyaruka useneje ne chiribwisano abanya tokoba bakonyora earlier pregnancy. It's something that we can stop right now if we can join hands together. So all leaders, let's step out, speak boldly, and I know we can make a great change in our community.
Maybe hukora kwa sababu morobiri yo unoweste unangandetega na unogochikonywenekia guikarari tuko ria ichumani tuko ria Jumamosi imba ntombare nibyo bana siasa bagwatene bawange sana ali bagokonyire na labda na weraga niko bakwana bari batatu ende na kubakira mbya mono semirimo ibako tumete gose nabwate nyante babwate.
I can give a shout out to a few friends. First of all, I want to shout out to my pad, my girl Kenya, wamenishikilia sana. They bought some kilometers. I want to shout out to Mrembo pads, ama Binti pads. They have supported our program. I want to shout out to akina Diana Ndemo, akina Austin Ogono, akina Alphonse Leonae, Elizabeth Philip, like wamesimama na mimi sana. Sidhani kama ingekuwa kawaida ama ingekuwa easy kama si maombi yao na support yao. You are so special, and I know that it's going to happen because of you guys. It's all about Babu. It's about the community we are helping. So Turkana itself, and then Soko by then. Soko has been so supportive to me. By the Soko and Soko umekuwa watu wa maana sana, umekuwa mkin support sana, and I know that information imekuwa kipass kwa haraka because of Soko. So nyinyi wa maana pia. Yeah, we are together in this.
Wakore.
Tokoro
morobe gosetrako.
Wakore, but don't forget ndotangana ki we support our own people. Wakora somo gusia betete asago tenena tomo support. Na bakore meno bago choro.
be mono babu so gwancha ko chana ko kwando mu rubiri nene ho chiko koni mono osbati hit kuri chuma na chuma ostego be konta tukana sabe na kero chiko kaga iri nkorenganga erio giria ndigwe kane no bokonyi bwa morreka nikigima kutsia sawa menyi bonsi be kaunti ya Turkana nene so mwana munyaruka uyo gane tugotere mechando au asensemiri kaunti ya Turkana kumbatania nene na matukaye tara aira senga kia matukaye.
Thank you so much. Na hata alikuwa nafikia tunaenda na wewe at least tukuache Turkana huko na reportia from Turkana.
Tutaona hiyo. Asante sana. Nimeshukuru. Mcho mwelele twangenere Bernard Simanta babu mtekova yo bereka okwana mangi yurige tambe keke sana. Yeke tamba nege kurende kere kengenjo sana so mwana musubati nko konyo so mabwa yana kama koranga igora asaga yakerara basama tukaye yo kunyara nkwenda re class ime kunyara nkwenda okora chiga cye tambe abe kumone kiribo chenu asomo beroye chingaki chonsi nege tambe kurende kengenjo nawe okwibuna ka okwana amangana mange kurwa asenseme yigame gitisindi geto Ensoko TV nane sabari yaye uchikokonya omwana omwiske na iganga yaye yokone kinga abana abanyaruka imense ya Kenya nkonyora bari bagokonya ka gwetera sibitamba byo bochenu wasitauro ochobo chenu kwikira mwancho mwerelia no uchikokora muruberie ese murago babone cyo twigideka 13 yure chinse nyechi abona marago ba na bonsi badenge mega yemenyoncho kweta mutangani kabisa esenchire imenyerire ngo twarenge na saro mekerubo na mega yemenyoncho twabate Abraham Bosire Kelvin Magoyi ntwa abu ate Barnabas Kabei na bayigo homusubati Felistas twabate Barnabas Ondari na bayigo homusubati Felistas Kabendi abu esenchire abene kinga chibi chama na Mario yabekere asenchira ere yabotwero kwa Daniel omwaga tora